Hi, and welcome to another tutorial from imwiththecreator.com. This is Vinod at your service. Today we are going to talk about creating a sales video, digital marketer Ryan Dice style sales video using only free tools. I was there when I started my internet marketing career and I wanted to create, since I was in the video production field, I know very well what exactly is required for beginners and to advanced users. So as a beginner, I know very well what they will be requiring, what will be the exact expectation of that individual. So when I was searching for options to create this video sales letter using only free tools, I found two important tools which is easy, which will be having all sophistications needed by the beginner marketer. Let's see what those tools are. We are going to use these two tools. These two are the most important tools in creating video sales letter, despite of any other tools you have in your tool set. So these both software work on almost all computers. You may have any operating system, let it be Windows, let it be Mac, or you can even have Linux. This will work in all the operating systems you have. These are open source software, but still these open source software are there in this online arena for lots and lots of years and in development by the community. So if you can use this software for your purpose, I'm not asking you to go and get into the development of this software, because I know very well you are just beginning. So instead of using too much of costly, sophisticated proprietary software, we can use these two software. Let's see what we have here. So this is the OpenShot Video Editor's website. You can download the software from here. You can download from here. It is available for almost all operating system. So here you have the Windows installer. It's a 64-bit installer, and you have installers for both Mac and Linux also. So any operating system you may have, and you can go and download for that one. Then you have Inkscape. Here you can download Inkscape from inkscape.org. I have provided the links in the description of this video. If you want, you can click the link directly and you can download the software. These two softwares we are going to use for creating the video sales letter or sales video, whatever you may call. So let's get into action. First, I have created title templates for you to create your video sales letter, and I'm also going to take sample from this fill in the blank video sales template. This is provided by another internet video marketer. We are not going to completely use this sales letter, and I am not going to spoil your respective time to create the whole letter. I'm going to show how to do it. So let's see. We can take this sentence and we can create the first slide. So let's copy this and we can go to OpenShot Video Editor. In this, click title and you can click title. Here you can see we are having so much of templates. So any template can be used, but we are going to create a video sales letter, Ryan styled video sales letter. You might have heard about him. You might have seen that website. You might have gone through the video sales letter of Ryan Dice. If you have not, go to digitalmarketer.com and just check it out how it is. It is the most persuading video sales letter out there online. So we have so much of templates, but I have created two templates. I have customized two templates for you. These two templates is very important for us. So if you see, this is having that black and red text, and another template is having only the black text over here. Then start creating your video sales letter just by pasting what we have copied. So here you have to fill in the blank. For example, we can type John Smith as your name and save. Once by creating this, you have to save it as a separate SVG file. That is how the OpenShot video editor has been created. So I'm going to go and save it in my hard disk. So let it be first slide. This is free software, guys. So there will be little bit steep learning curve, but it is once you master that one, it is very easy to create everything. And if you are used to professional software, then I suggest you go with that. But if you cannot afford licensed proprietary software, then you can go with this. But the catch is you have to use 2 or 3 software simultaneously to get the result you want. Here I'm suggesting you to use only 2 software to create the video sales letter. One is OpenShot Video Editor and another one is Inkscape. So using the title editor, what we have here, we have created the SVG file. If you want to create the title, if you want to edit the title using external editor, you can even edit that one. You can go and edit the software, edit the title what you're creating using the advanced editor. For example, you can create from here, and if you want to edit this one you can click use advanced editor, and that will open Inkscape only, because the SVG files are easily editable in Inkscape. That is another free software, is another free and open source software. So you can edit the title here, even here. You can buy it now. So if you want to change the colors, instead of black, you can change the colors even, and you can click once again, file, save, and close this one. You will get that changes reflected in this title editor, and you can, if you want, you have to once again you have to save this one into your project folder. So I'm going to go here and buy it now. Once again we can go to this, and any catchy letter, any catchy sentence you can copy and paste. So what I'm going to do is, I have a very, I'm going to show you, I'm going to take the sales letter red template, and I have a very, and the red text will be a special announcement for you. So once again, we have to save this one into our project folder. So this is second slide. So it goes on. Once you do that, if you go to the OpenShot Video Editor, you can see all the text, all the slides in there, and you can drag and drop to your track. So hey, it's John Smith here, and I'm super excited. And the second slide is this one. If you want to create a little fading effect, you can click and drag it here, and it overlaps one another. Once it overlaps, it creates a transition here. Say for example, if you don't overlap, you're just dragging and dropping. What happens is, this text, this will play but it won't have any transition. It will have only cut as the transition. But so this is the actual transition. What is happening? It's just cut to the another slide. If you do this one, you will have a crossfade. You can see is having a nice smooth crossfade. And again, you can import audio also. So go to your project file folder. I suggest you to create a project folder and copy all the resource files there. So now you have an audio. If you are playing, you can hear the audio. So if you want, you can go and click, right click, and you can slide, keep left side alone. So it will slice the audio to your, it will trim the audio. Then after that, even if you want to have, for example, we can click and drag this one once again, and we can pull it. The OpenShot video editor actually works as a complete professional nonlinear editor, but the only problem here is it is not so professional. It is still in development phase. It is more and more features are added into this software. So you can wait for time being, and you can enjoy the sophistications which are released then and there. So here we have the buy it now slide. If you want to add, you can add images also. Let me show. I'm going once again to my project folder, and we are going to import these two images. So both are having transparency. If you want to add this one here, you can add this one. So if you want to scale this one, here are the properties. You can scale. Sorry, this is here. I will show this also. I think that is not having the transparency. If you see this image, this is an SVG file and it is having the transparency. If you want to add an image, you can add like this directly over your video, and it will have the alpha over. We can check the aspects of this image even if it is having alpha or not. So we can check. Alpha is 1 in this. So I think that is not that image is not having transparency, but this image is an SVG file. It is having the transparency. If you want to click and direct that one, if you want to have an animation or if you want to have a video effect, you can have directly on that one. I will check. We can delete this one, and we can any button image with transparency, because this is not having transparency. It seems if we have an image with transparency, then it is easy for us to create an animation. We can click here, and even if you want, you have to go to the beginning of this image, and you can change the location of this image so that. And once again, if you want, you can add some wipes for its appearance here. So if you check the animation once again, So you can see how it is working. This software will help you create the entire video sales letter, and also you can change your profiles. You can choose the profiles from 720 to 720p to full HD videos. You can, according to the website, it says that you can edit up to 4K videos, but that is so much of technology out there. You can edit HD videos to create your sales letter, which will be looking appealing to your audience. Once created, you must, don't forget this, you must save the project, because the OpenShot video editor is still having little much of bugs. So go to your project folder and save your my video sales letter. Save your project. Once done, you can click here to export your video. There is so much of formats available here. If you want to export for web, YouTube or Vimeo, you can click that one, and the profile settings, everything is set it out, and you can click export video. Okay, and it's done. Based on your system configuration, maybe I have i7 system. Based on the system what you have, based on the operating system what you have, it may be a Mac, it may be Windows or Linux. Based on the system, it will take a little bit of time for rendering. And let's see what we have. So that's it. We can use OpenShot Video Editor and Inkscape for editing your titles. You can customize your titles. You have so much of title templates here. The title templates what I have created for you for creating sales letter, video sales letter, is there in the description box below. Don't forget to download that one. Don't forget to visit my website. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.